Hi guys, this is Carrie with Glitzy Glam, and I have a DIY heart-shaped wreath that we're going to make together right now. I hope you like it. Give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and excuse my messy craft room. I will be getting that cleaned up soon, probably after I get all my Christmas stuff repacked after New Year's. Then we'll get into the organizing for the new year. All right, let me show you my heart wreath. I've been wanting to make this heart wreath since last year, and so I had to wait all the way until now, and let's get started. Okay, I hope you can see this really well. What I did was I took this vine and I wove it all the way around, and then I turned some of these that were not facing the right direction and just went about turning them to where they're facing the right direction. Now some of them have one leaf pointing one way and another leaf pointing the other way, so you know, just do the best you can, because we're gonna probably take some of these off that are turned the wrong direction anyway and re-glue them in. This was just an easy way to get started with the greenery being kind of woven in and out of this wreath. All right, now what we're going to start out with is we're going to put glue here and glue this flower here in the middle, and then we take this one and glue it here and here. This is how we start out the heart shape, and then we're going to go around in threes, taking 3 at a time, hot gluing them together. Of course, I got to get some more glue, of course. All right. And we just stick those 3 in like that. And then we do the same on the other side. Now, since I'm doing this upside down, it's a little hard to see, you know, exactly what I'm doing, but we'll fix it up as we go once we get it finished, because we want to make sure that we still see the heart shape. Okay. All right, now I have these white here just so that you can see the wreath easier. All right. All right, we've got that going. All right, now we take a lighter grouping. The roses. This is kind of an ombre effect. Sticking these in as we go down the wreath. Okay, now we're going to do another grouping. This color. And just sticking that in. and pulling some of the greenery and turning it. Okay. And then turning the greenery as we go around. Okay. Now, with these wire wreaths, you just kind of go around and keep adding in the flowers. And sometimes you do wind up having to pull some off and repositioning them as needed. Find that as you go around, you may need to rethink something, because I have a bigger flower right here and I may need it over here somewhere. And really, this will be prettier. You got to play around with it, see where you think these will look better. Okay. Some more hot glue. Oh. Some more. All right. And here. And here. Okay, and then we've got this I want to add in here, and this may, figuring out where this may fit. Pull all this paper off real quick because I want to show you what this looks like. Alright, and here is what the wreath looks like. Okay, now I don't need this white paper anymore, but I do need some of the greenery because now you can see how pretty. But I want to add this in here like that. Let me look at it real quick. Let's see. How this will be pretty the best. Alright guys, what do you think? I'm going to add in some more greenery here and there. Oops. Tuck it in where it'll be more noticeable. In here. And we'll come back and peel off some of the excess glue. All right. And that's it, guys. You just kind of tuck some greenery in where you think it needs a little more greenery. And I'm add some more flowers here. At the bottom. And well, maybe we won't put this in there, or maybe we will. I haven't decided exactly where to put that in. Maybe it needs to go in place of this one. Is that? How about that? I think so. I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to put that right in here. Alright guys, there's the finished wreath. All I'm going to do is put a little extra hot glue in the back so that all of this will stay in place. You can add a little more greenery if you want to add more greenery. But this is the finished wreath. I love how it turned out. And because I put a little red here, I think I'm going to add a little more red right here. Alright guys, if you think it needs more greenery, you can always add more greenery to it. But this is the finishing product, and I think it's super, super pretty. Thank you for watching.